What do you get in San Juan Capistrano for $6 million? This house. Let's go take a look.
This crib in Oliva, San Juan Capistrano, is where luxury meets California cool. With an open floor plan to die for and indoor and outdoor vibes that scream let's party, it's the ultimate Cali lifestyle spot. Get ready to grill and chill in the backyard oasis with a barbecue setup that's hotter than the Cali sun. And inside? The kitchen's got all the bells and whistles, including a double wine cooler for those gourmet gatherings. Oh, and did we mention the great room? It's so stunning, you'll swear you're living outside, thanks to those sleek bifold glass doors. With 6 ensuite bedrooms, a saltwater pool, and a built-in gas fire pit, this place is made for making memories. So, whether you're hosting intimate hangouts or epic parties, this home's got you covered. And the cherry on top? It's just minutes away from all the action, beaches, shops, and top-rated schools. So, come live your best Cali life at 32,282 Paseo Candela, where luxury meets laid-back living.
I tell you what, I love that master suite in there and the open living area that opens up to the pool. Pretty cool house. 6,000 square feet for $6 million.